Hello guys, Red here, Pula Glass here, and today we're going to talk about I want to share something to you. So ito yung nabasa ko sa book na Secret of a Millionaire's Mind. Sabi doon sa book, it says there that merong different mindset yung mga mayaman at saka yung mahirap. So according to the book, it says there that poor people would think that rich people are bad in shape, in forms, in appearance, but poor people really wanted to become good. So it means poor people will never get rich. So diba? Yung mga mahirap daw, iniisip nila na yung mga mayayaman ay bad in shape, bad in form, bad in appearance.